Here's a recipe for making super moist double chocolate muffins. In a bowl, sieve in flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Sieving always ensures that there are no lumps on your muffins. Give it a stir and now set it aside for later. On a separate bowl, crack in 2 eggs and add in sugar. Beat it to a creamy texture. It takes just a minute. Next, add in oil and Greek yogurt and give it another mix to combine. Next goes in milk and vanilla. Quick whisk and wet ingredients are all done. Now it's time to add wet and dry ingredients together. Just put them in one bowl. You can do them in batches, but what you're going to make sure is not to overmix. Overmixing will give you hard muffins. And now it's time to add in some chocolate chips. But before doing that, I always add a little bit of flour, coat them so that they are evenly distributed throughout the muffin batter. And when they are baked, they are evenly distributed. Scoop in batter in muffin liners, and I always like to use an ice cream scoop for that. Some more chocolate chips on top, and then bake them for 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and they are all perfectly baked. You'll find all the measurements on recipe card on my website boobliesworldcuisine.com. There are more muffin recipes there. Thank you for watching my video and follow for more.